Today, I'm taking you inside a home that completely changed my mind on modern luxury. We are in the highly sought after Section 10 neighborhood, touring a never lived in Blue Heron estate that's almost like nothing else on the market today. I'm Jake Burkett with Real Brokerage, and if luxury homes, incredible architecture, and the Las Vegas lifestyle are your thing, you're gonna wanna stay around to the end. Let's go take a look. Okay, as mentioned, this home has never been lived in. It's 6,196 square feet, 6,169 square feet. It has a detached casita that is also 400 square feet. We've got 6 bedrooms, 8 total bathrooms, and the lot is just over half an acre. So it's a gorgeous home built by Blue Heron. And let's take a look at this property, shall we? And of course, if you have any questions, check the description. I may miss some facts in this home, like it's listed for $6 million, but go ahead and take a look at the description. Hopefully that'll answer all of your questions. If you have any additional questions, just go ahead and reach out to me. Starting here in the kitchen, I do want to mention we do have 2 primary bedrooms, detached casita. It's got an outdoor sauna, it's a gorgeous pool, it's got a cold plunge, so make sure you stick around and catch all that stuff. So, all right, kitchen, here we go. We have quartz countertops, solid core cabinetry. We have the waterfall edge over there. We have the matching covers on the fridge, Wolf appliances, Sub-Zero appliances, gorgeous large walk-in pantry with a door that leads right outside to the sport court. You got a pickleball, got a basketball hoop, but let's go ahead and just take a look real quick, and we'll continue on with this beautiful home. Everything is soft shut. There's your 6-burner Wolf with the center skillet. We do have an additional wine fridge and beverage fridge right over there. You got your dishwasher, you got all of your pullouts. This is kind of cool. You have your reverse osmosis drinking water, your traditional faucet, and then here's an additional one. If you pull it forward, it's cold. If you go back, it's instant hot. So if you needed instant hot water for something, there you have it. There's your wine fridge. Over here, we also have a built-in coffee maker. You got your microwave, you got your dual ovens. We got lighting on the bottom side there. And then you have this massive side-by-side fridge, freezer combo. All right, we're gonna check out the secondary bedrooms. And then we're gonna go ahead and head to the downstairs primary bedroom, and then we'll head outside, of course. So, all right, so before we go on too far, we are here in the great room. We'll have a nice 20 some odd foot ceiling right there. Got a gorgeous electric fireplace. Got a nice bit of stonework right there floating with the lights on the bottom side. You do have a front slider entryway into the house. You also have this back slider that leads out into a sunken fire pit right out there, which we'll see in a little bit. You got surround sound all throughout the house. Over here we have a nice secondary living area, right? So this would make a great parlor, you know, sitting area. You can do all kinds of things here. It also has a clamshell slider that leads out into the backyard, right where that sunken fire pit is. So we'll see that in just a bit. And throughout the house, the primary ceiling height is 8 feet. On the door, we're gonna have, 10 foot, 8 foot doorways. So this downstairs bedroom is pretty cool. You got these 2 sliders that open up right there and right there. Of course, leads directly out into the pool, casita, outdoor kitchen. Here you're gonna have a little sneak peek of the outdoor sauna just over here in the corner. So that's really cool. We'll go check that out in a bit. And of course, every room is an ensuite in this home. So let's check out this bathroom right here. Same matching cabinets, slightly different quartz countertop material, big sheet mirror. You got these smart toilets all over the house, walk-in shower. And you know what? I apologize. Like, I've got a new stabilizer, and it's taken some getting used to. So it's kind of got a bit of a mind of its own. Maybe let's see. I just tried a new setting. Let's see if that helps. was kind of jumping all over on me there. So each bedroom has its own climate control, so that's a nice thing. Coming in here, we have another secondary downstairs bedroom. We have its own bathroom right here as well. Same materials, same countertop, same tile, slightly different tile. And here's your walk-in shower. All right, we have one more secondary bedrooms downstairs. Then we're gonna go ahead and head upstairs. And when we come back down, we're gonna see the half bath downstairs, the laundry room, the garage, which is pretty sweet as well. So again, secondary bedroom, climate controlled. And if I didn't mention this earlier, there's fire suppression all throughout this house, so. Here's the bathroom. Same materials, so I don't need to spend too much time in there. All right, let's go ahead and head upstairs. So we have this giant loft right here. We're gonna take a peek at that in a second, but first, let's look at this secondary bedroom up here. It's an HVAC closet to my right. Not much to see in there. Nice sized bedroom. It's got a walk-in closet. It is pre-built out for you. And then over here, it's got its bathroom. And this bathroom would also be the bathroom, so if anyone's hanging out in the loft, guests, whatever, to come over, and they would, use this bathroom, but they don't have to go through the bedroom. It has its own door right there. And then this closet right here is just additional storage. All right, so checking out this big loft, it's huge. Great room to have all kinds of things up here, pool table, fun tables, couches, whatever you want. Put a TV over there. Just down this railing is where the great room and entrance is, kitchen, all that stuff. HVAC, in case you were wondering. Now up here, this is the second primary bedroom. Again, huge big window right there, tons of natural light. Big bedroom. It's got this big bathroom, of course, this large walk-in shower. You got 2 power jets and a rainfall. You've got a bench over there in the corner. Then all your niches are in the corner, hidden out of the way. So your soaps, shampoos, whatever, shaving equipment. And then of course your water control valves are over there as well. So when you first walk in, you don't see it. Just a nice big glorious shower. You got sink area number 1, sink area number 2, floating cabinets. You got the smart toilet area right there with a bidet. And then you have the walk-in closet right here that is fully built out and just ready for your clothes. All right, let's go ahead and head downstairs. We'll check out that half bath, the laundry room, the garage. All right, we're downstairs. Let's take a peek at this half bath. Nice half bath, floating cabinets. Got a little funky sink right there. You got the backlit mirror, which is super nice and cool. And you got your smart commode right there. So that's gonna just take us right over here to the laundry room, which is nice and big as well. You got lots of cabinetry, you got a sink, you got your 2 front loaders. You just got your smart closet for the property right in here. And this is gonna take us into the 4-car garage. Jake, you said 4-car, you only see 2. Stick with me. All right, epoxy floors. It's got a mini split up there, so it's climate controlled. You've got your 2 tankless hot water heaters. You've got your soft water conditioner. You've got your EV plug right over there. And out here to the side of the property. This is just where, so it's kind of cool, right? So trash cans, you don't want to keep them in the garage necessarily, but got a nice little cubby for your trash recycle bin. Nice, gorgeous little walkway with matching travertine tiles that's all over the backyard. You got your AC units, you got your mini splits. And this will just take us right back in the garage. Over here you can see we got the LiftMaster side built, kind of silent drives, nice and quiet when you open them. And this is the other 2-car garage currently built out as a gym. This flooring is just rubber matting put over the epoxy flooring, so you could negotiate all this gym equipment if you wanted to, or you could get rid of it and park your vehicles in here. Pretty cool home gym. Let me know in the comments, would you like to have a home gym like this? I could get down with this. And then over here we just have more HVAC closet stuff. So, and there's your mini split up on the wall. All right, let's head inside. We've got to go see the primary downstairs bedroom and all the fun stuff outside. Okay, hallway to the primary, here we go. All right, before we get into the bedroom, we will check out the bathroom first. So we're gonna come in here. Immediately to my right is the toilet. It's got a door, you close it. Have fun in there. We've got your dual sinks, floating cabinet top, freestanding soaking tub right there. And these windows just go into your backyard. You got desert-friendly vegetation out here that's gonna continue to get bigger and thicker, give you more privacy. You do have some real grass. You can see a bit of that sport court over there. Gorgeous walk-in shower, got 2 power jets, rainfall, handheld, and much like the other showers you've seen in the property. Oh, and you got all these fun little jets in the center, so you can really get your whole body. You got the bench over there, and you have your niches right there as well. So, and then this one is controlled right here by this smart switch. All right, check out this primary closet. Super nice, all built out. It's all glass enclosures. You have your freestanding in the center there. All kinds of LED lighting here, so it gives it a really nice look and vibe to it. Pretty fancy, just needs your clothes, your handbags, your watches, your shoes, and you'll be all set. All right, let's head on out here to the bedroom. Good sized bedroom. We do have a little wet station over here. So you got your beverage fridge right there. You got a sink, some floating cabinets. Got a little fireplace, electric fireplace right there. Pretty sure it's electric. That might be gas. Not sure. TV mounts on the wall. And then of course we'll head out into the backyard real quick. All right, since we're over here, we're just gonna go ahead and take a look. You got your little outdoor kitchen right here. And then we're also gonna hop into this casita or pool house or whatever you want it to be. So right here, this door leads into the bathroom. So people using the pool, they can come in here and have privacy. It's got the clouded glass door right there. You also have these sliders that open up, so when that weather's amazing, you can open up that slider I came into, you can open up that slider right there. Entertain, someone could live in here if they wanted to as well. And over here, you just have a big old walk-in closet you could do some stuff with. It's empty right now, so you just have to let your imagination kind of go wild. And then this is what the bathroom looks like. All right, let's go ahead and take a peek over here at this sport court because it's pretty cool. These windows right here are into the primary bedroom. That door right there comes off of the pantry in the kitchen. And then here's your sport court, pretty dope. You got lights up there. Nice all-weather court. It is on a concrete pad, so you got lots of durability there. You got your pickleball net set up right now. You got your basketball hoop. And then over here, this is just a gate to the front of the house. So, you know, if you're having friends come on over or whatever, you know, everyone doesn't have to come right through the house. They could just come through, you know, the front entry part of the area. Okay, let's go look at the pool a bit and check out that cold plunge and outdoor sauna. And if you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel and you're still with me on this video, come on, you gotta go ahead and like, subscribe. All right. Here's that gorgeous zero threshold pool. Comes all the way to the top. You got a slight angle right there, just kind of keeps the water coming down, but there is an overflow and it just puts it back into the system. Got your back wall with water featured right there. Nice pool, Pebble Tech, self-cleaning. Over here we have this we have this inner covered kind of courtyard patio area. This nice sunken fire pit, so this would be a great place if you're hanging out with friends, enjoying a nice evening, having some beverages. You could put a TV on the wall if you wanted to out there. You could just sit out here and enjoy the peace and quiet. Get a couple of throw pillows. It's all matching travertine you see all over the backyard. And then coming over here, we have some turf. So it's nice, super low maintenance. Got a little bit of river rock. And here is that cold plunge. So, and this whole thing is covered. It's nice, it's got lighting, it's very well finished off. So if cold plunger thing, you got a nice full-size cold plunge right there. And then right here, this is like a 4 to 6 person sauna. It's a nice one. So if you're into that wellness life, you're all set up. And just over here on the side of the house right here, we have all the AC units. That's the side entrance to the garage. We kind of checked that out right there. So yeah, that about completes this home tour. Thanks so much for sticking with us. Of course, like, subscribe, call me if you have any real estate needs, even questions looking to buy or sell, resell, new construction, and thanks so much. We'll see you on the next home tour.